Hello students, very good morning. Yesterday we learned about benefits of Trikonasana. Today we are learn Tadasana. Look at this position. Standing in an attention position. In this asana, the body is to be lifted like a palm tree. Hence it is called Tadasana, a very simple yoga pose which is regarded as the mother of asana. ये सबसे बड़ा आसन योगासन में से ये बड़ा आसन कहलाता है. Tadasana is like the base from which all the poses emerge. The word Tada means mountain and asana means a posture. Stand erect on the ground with 50 centimeter apart. Look at this position number 1. With the inhale, raise your arms upward by interlocking your fingers. Now look at the position number 2. Try to come on the toes by raising your heels and feel the stretching from toes to fingers. Maintain the poses as long as you can with slow and deep breathing. ये जब तक आप कर सकते हो, स्टे और रह सकते हो, तब तक ये पोजीशन रखनी है विथ डीप ब्रीथिंग. एंड आफ्टर देन यू कम टू द ओरिजिनल पोजीशन विथ डीप एक्सेल. उसके बाद ओरिजिनल फर्स्ट नंबर की पोजीशन में आपको आ जाना है विथ डीप एक्सेल करके. One can perform the number of rounds as per one's convenience after having relaxation for a while. आपको थोड़ा रेस्ट करके अगेन ये दोबारा करना है. जितनी तक आप कर सकते हो तब तक आपको ये करने हैं. Now some benefits of Tadasana. These asana makes the lungs and the chest stronger. Respiratory system becomes active, increases height, good for nervous system, treats sciatica, enhance concentration, strengthen lower legs, weight losses, relieves back pain, hips mobility. Art of standing. By practicing the yoga poses regularly, one will learn the correct way of standing. आप ये कंटिन्यूटी हर रोज़ करते रहोगे तो खड़े रहने की भी पोजीशन आपको अच्छे से आ जाएगी. रिड्यूस फ्लैट फीट एंड इट ऑल्सो स्ट्रेंथनेस लेग्स, नीज, एंकल, बुटॉक्स, लोअर एब्डोमेन, shoulders and neck. It also good in improving your posture. Now look at this video. We are doing